Happy LDOC Tar Heels, you've made it. What a year it's been. We persevered through the surge of COVID variants and continued with our critical work of teaching and learning, research and service. We met in classrooms, lecture halls, and labs to discuss issues together and solve the world's problems. This spring, we gathered in New Orleans, on Franklin Street, and across our campus to cheer on our men's basketball team in the Final Four. Seniors, it's your final LDOC here at Carolina, and I hope you take a moment to reflect on all that you've learned in your years at Carolina. It's been so fun seeing you outside the South Building in your Carolina blue caps and gowns, taking photos by the old well. Make the most of each opportunity in your last days here in Chapel Hill. And don't forget to thank your faculty, grad students and staff, and all the people who've helped you get here today. I'm so excited for your commencement weekend and to hear from your speaker, Frank Bruni, and I look forward to seeing each of you then. Good luck with your finals. Make sure to take a few mental health breaks as you study and finish strong. Thank you, and go Heels.